Quarrel with argue. They quarreled over money. I don't want to quarrel with you. Agree with. Share the same opinion. I agree with you. He agreed with her idea. Speak up. Talk louder or express opinion. Speak up in class. Please speak up, I can't hear. Shut up. Stop talking rude. Shut up and listen. He told me to shut up. Get on. Enter transport. Get on the bus. She got on the train. Get off. Exit transport. Get off at the next stop. He got off the plane. Get in. Enter a place or vehicle. Get in the car. He got in through the window. Get out. Leave a place or vehicle. Get out of the house. I got out quickly. Speed up, go faster. Speed up, we're late. The train is speeding up. Slow down, go slower. Slow down, it's slippery. He slowed down at the turn. Eat in, have food at home. Let's eat in today. We ate in last night. Eat out. Have food outside. Let's eat out tonight. They ate out at a cafe. Put on. Wear clothes. Put on your shoes. She put on her coat. Take off. Remove clothes or leave quickly. Take off your jacket. The plane took off. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.